With Microsoft Office, you can take applications between the internet as well as the program. Couple of things. I'm concentrating a lot on Excel. You have a Word file. You can do calculations in Word. It is unpleasant, slightly torturous. You might call 911. I'm going to copy the table. If you have a table in Word, you can click on the plus there, or you could highlight the specific cells you want. So we all know how to copy. We're going to go into Excel, and I'm going to go and paste. I have all the information in here. It did pick up the formatting, which is very nice. Sometimes it doesn't. You might have to fix it. The great thing, you can go and do formulas. Like, let's say I want an average of these numbers. And then I could just actually use the format painter right here. Click inside here. And then drag it all the way down with a double click. And we don't need something in there. We could just say average. So you've got the formulas in here. Very cool feature. I'm going to add a sheet to this. You can also copy from the internet. I'm going to go into this web page here. This is something I posted online. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight from the top. I need that annual growth. So I'm going to copy, click with the mouse and drag what you need. Go back into Excel. And then I'm going to paste. A little funky here, but all I have to do is shut off the wrap text here. I could merge and center if I want. I'm going to just zoom this up. Again, you can do calculations, move columns and rows around. So let's say I don't need this column, these two columns. I right click, delete, have it all in there. And let's say I want to know the max. In this case, we've got that in there. We could drag it down. Very straightforward. Practice makes perfect. Don't think you ever have to retype things from stuff you're printing on the internet. Last thing I want to talk about, doing a download. I'm on the Yahoo webpage, and I'm looking at this information here on Amazon with the finance here, and I went into historical data. Things change, but what is cool here, you go into here, it says download data. I click on download data. It shows here, and I could say it's historical prices here, dividends only, stock split offs here, but this is the beauty here. I click on download data. It's going to want to save the file. It's going to save it as a CSV. That means comma separated values. I say save, open it up. You might get a warning sometimes, but it's just like Excel. You can widen it. You can format it. I'll zoom this up so you can see. You can change the numbers here. I'll just go to commas. I don't need decimal points. And the other thing too, can you do a statistical average if you want to? Of course you can. It says what it is here, and let's say I want to know what the median adjusted close was. Equal median, left parenthesis, highlight the cells. I didn't put the parenthesis, I hit something wrong here. Equal median F2 through F23. And why did it say 0? Let's try this again. It worked that time. Probably clicked the wrong way. But it shows 1612 as the median for this period of approximately a month of trading. So try to remember with the CSVs, and I'm going to show you one other thing. It says CSV here. If I make this bold or whatever, or I have formulas here, you save it as a CSV, you're in trouble. You have to save it as an Excel spreadsheet. Very easy. File, Save As. It says CSV here. Click up here, Excel Workbook, Save. I now have it as an Excel workbook.